This video shows how to make cappuccino using Gaggia Naviglio. You need to prepare a cup, a milk pitcher with fresh milk in it, and damp cloth. Brew espresso by hitting the espresso button. We have our espresso ready. The Panarello design is helping to create thick foam on the milk. Basically, it draws air from here, this area, and mix the air together with the milk. Let me press the steam button and immerse the tip of the steamer into the milk. You can see the foam is building up in the pitcher. If you do not want any more steam, you need to immerse the milk until this point to stop any air from being sucked in. Wait until it's hot. Turn off the steam by pressing the same button. It's always good to wipe Usually I will dispense some hot water to clean the internal part. Turn it off. Now I'm pouring the milk onto the espresso. Here's our cappuccino. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you again.